Reproduction management at a pig farm. So semen is collected off boars, or the boars are bred with sows. So once the sows are inseminated, then they become pregnant. And then at late pregnancy, they are moved to the farrowing house. At 28 days, the piglets are moved to the weaning house. And then when they are around 30 kilograms, they're moved to the fattening house. And once they're around 110 kilograms, they are moved to the slaughterhouse. And the dry sows are then inseminated again by a breeding boar. And from the weaner house, some of the pigs are selected to be breeding gilts. So in this process, there needs to be a proper rearing of breeding gilts and proper regrouping of gilts, as well as searching gilts in heat and having estrus synchronization. On large-scale farms, they have a central AI station, but on small-scale farms, there is on-farm semen collection. Then there is farrowing, weaning, and rearing of the next generation. All production phases are under group-wise management, so there is an all-in, all-out. So the rotation goes something like this. There's a farrowing unit, and then they're weaned at the same time, then there's disinfection, then there's waiting, and then the new group is moved in. Important facts about the sow reproduction. So they're sexually mature around 5 to 7 months old. Their ovarian cycle is 18 to 24 days, and their pregnancy is 114 days, so 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Their lactation period and their anestrus is around 21 to 28 days. The boar to sow ratio for AI is 1 to 25. The minimum age of the first AI is around 7.5 months when they're sexually mature, and the mating frequency is around twice a week.